Looking to set up specific permissions for some users? No problem. Easily done in Pipedrive. Head on over to Settings, where under Manage Users, we have the Permission Sets tab. The permissions we're setting up affect how users can interact with Pipedrive, such as whether or not they can delete deals and such. But if you're actually interested in restricting visibility of certain deals or contacts from specific Pipedrive users, you'll want to check out our visibility groups. So let's get back to permissions. Here you can see that we have two different roles, admin and regular. Admin users are the highest level of permissions you can give a user. They basically can see and do anything, including adding users or changing your billing. The only thing that admin users can't see is emails that are marked as private. We advise that you use the admin permission sets with caution and assign people to it who only explicitly need it. With great power comes great what? Yeah, we all know the answer to that. For other users, we recommend, however, using one of the customizable permission sets available to you on the left here and customize it to your needs. By default, there's an admin and regular user group, like we said, but if you're on our professional plan, a third group called manager becomes available. On the enterprise plan, you can also have the option to add as many customizable permission sets as you wish. All you gotta do is assign users to their roles and decide what permissions you want to give to them. Maybe, for instance, you don't want regular users to be able to import data or see reports, but your managers, of course, need these permissions in order to do their job. So pretty simple, right? Once you got your permissions in order, you can relax and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with it.